Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the exciting world of Deepseek version 3, a powerful and versatile AI model. But that's not all. We'll show you how to run Deepseek version 3 right on your own computer using the incredible LM Studio platform. Yes, you heard it right. AI on your local machine. So let's go to LM Studio. That's LM Studio website and that's the app. As I'm using Mac, I'm going to choose download LM Studio for Mac M series. That's the M series chip, M1, M2, M3, M4. Any of it, I got an M3 Mac. So let's download this version. It is being downloaded. Look at the benefits of it. Run LLMs on your laptop entirely offline. Chat with your local documents. Use models through the in-app chat UI or an OpenAI compatible local servers. Download any compatible model files from Hugging Face repositories. Discover new and noteworthy LLMs right inside the app's discovery page. So it's basically a single piece of software with all the open source LLMs available for you to download to your local machine. And you can train your own document on this. That's privacy. Okay, let's try to run this. Yeah, that is done. Let's close this. Let's open LM Studio. And here you go. We got this LM Studio. That's the starter interface. Experiment and develop with LLMs locally on your computer. Let's get your first LLM. Download your first local LLM. Get started with a small, fast and easy to use model. That's Llama 3 billion. I am going to skip that for now. Let's skip onboarding. Okay, that is a chat interface for LM Studios. You can choose a module. You can download a module and choose that module and chat with that module and train your own documents privately on your desktop. So let's try to browse. And yes, if you guys see, we can see Deepseek R1 distilled Queen 7 billion, Queen 2.5 7 billion instructions, Deepseek R1 Llama 8 billion, and you got a lot more other versions as well. Llama, Meta Llama, if you see Femini, Star Code, Commander. So you got all different types of LLMs which is available in the market. Let's choose this Llama 8 billion module. It's just 4 GB. This is, let's see how much is the difference in the size. It's similar. It's like everything is under around 5 GB, 4 GB something, and this one is 3.2 billion is 2 GB, and Queen 2.5 14 billion parameter is 7.34 billion. So Llama was 1.8. That's how Meta Llama 3.1 is 4.1. Okay, that's fine. Let's focus on this 8 billion parameter. And it's a community model, Deepseek R1 Distill Llama 8B by Deepseek AI. It's just 4.92 GB. Let's download this. And it is getting downloaded. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna skip and come back when the download is completed. Now you could see the download is getting finalized. The download completed, and if you can see, load module button is here, load module button is here, and reveal in the finder, open download directory. Let's load the module. Let's see what happens. Okay, that is loading here. You could see that 8 billion LM Studio Deepseek R1 Distill with Llama 8 billion parameters is loaded. Now let's test this out. So for testing, I am going to use a prompt to test few things on this local LLM. Let's use my prompt. Imagine you are a mischievous pirate parrot who has just stolen a treasure map. Describe the map in as much detail as possible, including the location of the treasure, the danger along the way, and any riddles or clues hidden within the map itself. Okay, the reason I'm trying out this prompt is that because it's a fantastic way to test several key aspects of the LLM's capabilities. First, the mischievous pirate parrot personality adds a playful element, encouraging the model to generate creative and imaginative text, going beyond simple factual responses. Second, describing the treasure map in detail forces the LLM to use vivid languages, like painting a picture in our mind. This assesses its ability to describe scenes and objects effectively. Third, the inclusion of dangers, riddles, and clues within the map encourages the LLM to weave a narrative demonstrating its storytelling skills. Finally, maintaining this mischievous pirate parrot tone throughout the response shows the LLM's ability to understand and maintain a consistent voice and personality. Let's see what this prompt is going to feed us with. I'm going to send. It is thinking. Response is going to be like a human thinking. If I ask this question to you, you're going to start thinking about it. That's the same what this LLM is doing right now. It is thinking with what I have provided. So let's see what it's coming up with. Okay, it took 22.7 seconds. Treasure map description. The pirate parrot's secret stash. Map image. Yeah, weathered, creaky old parchment with a vibrant compass rose at the top. Slightly smudged from many voyages. Okay, that puts an imagination to me. Pirate parrot name Captain Arg. Okay. Treasure location. The X is marked just northwest of an active volcano on a remote island in Caribbean. This spot is an ordinary land. Legends whispers it's where the dragon's breath comes from. Okay, the storytelling part is good. And now look at this. Dangers along the way. Okay, it is incorporating the dangers. Oh, the Devil's Reef, the Shadowy Figure, Cursed Island, these are part of the journey. Okay, the riddles and clues. The volcano riddle. The map hints at a volcano whose eruption is tied to the treasure. Star navigation, compass rose features, wordplay clues, hidden message. When you find the right spot, right or in the sand, the map will transform into a detailed route with hidden symbols. Playful warning from Captain Ark. Don't be fooled by my mischievous grin. These maps full of tricks. Keep your wits sharp. Avoid alligators and remember no one likes a pirate who's lost or eaten. Happy hunting, matey. Okay, that was really good. I liked it. So let's now try with something else. Let's see. Can you write me a small piece of Python code to mimic the snake game as simple as possible on one single file? Let's see. The coding capability is thinking. Certainly, here is a simple implementation of the snake game in Python using a pygame library. This code creates a basic snake game with keyboard controls and scoring. That is good, not bad, and everything is in local. You don't need to be online. Okay, while we doing this, I will just go offline. We just go to Wi-Fi and switch off my Wi-Fi, and you can see it's still responding with its code. Look at that explanation of the code: initialization, grid setup, snake movement, food generation, collision detection, code tracking, game over handling, visual elements, event handling. This implementation keeps the snake game simple yet functional, allowing players to enjoy a classic game of skill and strategy in a straightforward manner. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's try to see if it is really working offline, because I just disconnected my internet. Let's ask a question. Give me the seven wonders of the world. Give me the list of 7 wonders of the world. Let's see. I'm offline. You can see here. And it still thinks. That takes a long time for that question. Okay, 36 seconds. 7 wonders of the world are list of remarkable structure and natural formation that have left a significant impact on history and culture. Is a list based on historical and cultural significance. Great Wall of China, Colosseum, Pyramid of Giza, Taj Mahal, Hanging Garden, Jordan, and the temple. I never heard of Temple of Prithvi. That is a wrong information. That is not entirely right information. That is hallucinating. Okay, that's a part and parcel of the game. Let's try with a different question. Okay, let's try its mathematical thinking capability. Okay, this is my prompt. If a train leaves station A at 9 a.m. traveling at 60 miles per hour and another train leaves station B at 9:30 a.m. traveling at 75 miles per hour in the opposite direction, at what time will the two trains meet? The distance between station A and station B is 300 miles. This prompt will check its. This is a multi-step problem. It requires multiple steps to solve, like calculating the distance traveled by each train, determining the combined speed of the train, calculating the time taken to cover the total distance. Let's see what this LLM can do with this. It is thinking. This is kind of evaluating its mathematical capability. You could add like some kind of fractions, decimals, percentage, word problem, geometry to get a comprehensive assessment. That's kind of fun to go further and test it out. Let's see with this basic prompt what it is going to throw us back and how long is taken. It took 53 seconds. The two train will meet at 11:30. Let's see if it's going to remember my last prompt. I'm going to continue with it. Can you explain or break down the assessment and calculations on how did you arrive to the answer? Let's see. That is a lot of time. Okay, it is actually following up the last command. Identifying departure times and speed. Okay, calculating the head start of train on distance covered by train, remaining distance, calculate combined speed, determining time, meter, train. Okay, calculate the actual meeting time. Verification, distance covered by each train until meeting. That was good. I agree with you. The answer is actually right. I tried with different LLMs as well. And that's it. That's Deepseek on your local machine. And that's pretty much enough instead of paying $20 for ChatGPT or $200 for the Pro version. And everything happens locally. So there you have it. We have explored the capabilities of Deepseek version 3 and learned how to run it locally using LM Studio. This opens up a world of possibilities for AI enthusiasts and developers alike. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more AI related content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions you may have. Thanks for watching. Until you get back to the next video. Bye.